Hey guys, today we're going to talk about areas of sectors of circles. So we're going to take a look here first at the top. We have a couple of things to fill in. A sector is a section of a circle bounded by a central angle. Remember, that means the vertex is the center of the circle and its intercepted arc. Think of a sector as being like a slice of pizza. So to find the area of a sector, you take the degree measure of the arc times pi r squared, where r is the radius, and then divide it by 360. So as you look here at problem number 1, where we're finding the area of the shaded sector, our angle measure is 51, which means our degree measure of our arc is also 51. Area is 51 times pi times BC, which is 16 squared, divided by 360. And you're going to be in feet squared for your answer. So 51 pi times 16 squared divided by 360, 113.94 feet squared. And for problem number 2, PQ is our radius. It is 22 centimeters. So area is 139 times pi times 22 squared divided by 60. You need to be practicing this in your calculator. 139 pi times 22 squared divided by 360 is 587.09 centimeters squared. And JK is 3 millimeters. So area equals 84 times pi times 30 squared divided by 360, and that's 6.6 millimeters squared. And then GH is 13, and this gives us 126. So 360 minus 126 is 234. So 234 times pi times 13 squared divided by 360 should give you 345.1 yards squared. And the shaded area is 360 minus 42, which is 318 times pi times YZ is 9 squared over 360 is 224.78 inches squared. Again, take the time to try these out and make sure you are ending up with the right answers. And then EF is 28, 115. So area is 115 times pi times 28 squared over 360, which is 786.79 meters squared. And taking a look here at our next page, area is 29 times pi times 32.5 squared divided by 360 is 267.31 feet squared. This is 90, so the rest 360 minus 90 is 270 times pi times 29.5 squared divided by 360 is 2050.48 miles squared, 2050.48. And let's see, we have 72 times pi times 15.1 squared over 360. I think you can see that this is pretty repetitious here. 143.26 inches squared. And this is 341, 360 minus 41 would be 19 times pi times 4.7 squared over 360. And that's 3.66 kilometers squared. Now, what you have here at the bottom, find the total area of the shaded region. You just have two of them. In this case, 46 and 46, because they're the same. So 46 and 46 is 92 times pi. HG is a radius, so 7 squared divided by 360 is 39.34 centimeters squared. And XY is a diameter. So your radius is 15. So you got to make sure you're aware of that. So 113 and 113 is 226 times pi times 15 squared over 360, which is 443.75 feet squared. And then you have 143, so 180 minus 143 means each piece is 37. So that would be 74 times pi times 10.4 squared over 360, which is 69.85 inches squared. And then you can do 360 minus 17 to give you 326 for this one. Times pi. RS is a diameter, so divide by 2 and get 21.5 squared for your radius over 360, 1,315.05 meters squared. You have a semicircle, so 180 plus 58 is 238 times pi. JM is 10, so your radius is 5 squared over 360. It's 51.92 millimeters squared. And you have, they're all the same. So 360 minus 3 times 62 is 174, and that is your shaded area, times 12 squared over 360, because PC is a radius, which is 218.65 centimeters squared. This concludes our chapter on circles. Let me know if you guys have any questions. I hope you have a great day.